Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
We are the students of second year and we have put a lot of hard work in hosting this event, Narl Utsav, which is a celebration of coconut trees, which is the tree of life. We have worked tirelessly day in and day out for the last 2 months to make this event a success.
I'm currently studying at Vmsiihe and I'm in the second year. Narl Utsav is given to us as an assignment. We are evaluated, and so we took this opportunity and chose coconut and Narl Utsav as a theme for event. So we have decided and found out various ways that we can showcase coconut through our menu. We have used coconut in its grated form, we have used coconut in coconut milk, and we have used coconut in its dry form also. Through our menu, we have made chicken chettinad, mutton stew, Kerala mutton stew, which is a stew simmered in coconut milk, coconut crumb fried fish, which is fish battered in desiccated coconut and fried, nariyal chawal, which is coconut rice. We have also different type of breads such as appam and sanna. And to end this beautiful day, we have also made a decadent and very creamy and rich Elanid souffle, which is a kurgi souffle, which is also made of tender coconuts. And we have also made kokad to top it all up. Thank you so much.